We're going to now solve an applied problem that involves comparisons. To help us really think it through, let's read our helpful hint. When one quantity is being compared to another quantity, always pick as your starting variable the quantity that is being compared to. A rectangle has a length 7 meters longer than double the width. The perimeter is 134 meters. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Now, let's see if we can solve this problem. If we think about the problem that was just read, there's this very important comparison. The length is 7 meters longer than double the width. The hint suggested whatever you're comparing it to, let that be the variable. Here, the length is being compared to the width. So we start by letting W equal the width. Now, the length follows from that. The length is 7 meters longer than double the width. So then, if we took double the width and 7 meters longer, that would be an expression for the length. Now, in the situation where we have a perimeter, we would like to remember the perimeter formula. 2 times the width plus 2 times the length is the perimeter. In our particular case, the perimeter is 134. So 134 equals 2 times the width. We're letting W equal the width. And 2 times the length, and we're letting the length be the expression 2W plus 7. How do we solve that? We know 134 equals 2W plus 2 times 2W is 4W, 2 times 7 is 14. So this gives us the equation 134 equals 6W plus 14. What we would like to do is subtract 14 from each side, so we'd have 120 equals 6W. If we divide each side by 6, we see that W equals 20. How about the expression for the length? We said that the length is 2W plus 7. We just found W is 20, so the length would be 2W plus 7, 2 times our value for double, 20 plus 7. So the length would be 40 plus 7, or 47. So what we have is a rectangle. We have discovered the width is 20 meters. The length is 47 meters. In these kind of problems, it's very important to take the time when you're thinking about the comparison to be sure whatever you're comparing it to, that's your starting variable.